Assignment 3-4, we're going to be working with division and formatting cells, introducing some formatting. I've got my 3-4 spreadsheet. I'm going to click on the tab for the text to copy and paste. Right click after selection, copy, go back to my spreadsheet, right click in A1 and paste it in there. Okay, notice that this seems to be occurring, that we get this extra row. So I'm going to right click on that row and I'm going to delete the row just to make the directions make sense. At any point too, I'm going to reformat. I'm going to make the margins a little smaller besides the blank columns, because that's where we're going to have our formulas for percentage. Just gives us a little more room to work. Okay. All right, so this should be familiar by now. I'm going to select top row and I'm going to bold and center. Going to fill with yellow. And in the rank, I'm going to bold, center, fill with dark blue, and change the text color to white. Okay, and make sure we have borders on all of these. Select from A1 to K8. Okay, now what I'm going to do is we're trying to calculate the field goal percentage. Like Stephen Curry, like he attempted 122, made 54. What percentage of his field goals did he actually make that he attempted? So, quick way to figure it out, we're going to click equals, and we're going to take the number of field goals that he made, and we're going to divide them by the number of field goals he attempted. So, I want to divide field goals by field goals attempted, so I'm going to use the /. It's usually under the question mark on your keyboard. And then I'm going to click on the field goals attempted. Okay. All right, so I get a real long decimal, and we'll take care of that in a second. Okay, and then I'm going to copy that formula all the way down for all the players. So this gives me field goal percentage. Now, our cells aren't formatted for percentage, so what we're going to do right now, and these are one of the more common formats, so we can click on the format as percent, 44.26, and it automatically puts it in percentage terms. And I'm going to decrease the decimal place by 1 to get a more accurate number, a more readable number, really. Same level of accuracy. Okay, so I've done that for field goal percentage. Now I'm going to repeat that over in 3-point percentage. I'm going to hit equals. I'm going to divide the number of 3 points made, and once again the / by the number attempted. Press enter. And drag that down. We have a lot of decimals, and I'm going to format that as percentage and do it to 1 percentage place. These two buttons right here decrease and increase the decimal places for different levels of accuracy. And I'm going to also do free throws. So I'm going to do free throws. I do equals, free throws divided by free throws attempted. Hit enter, and I'm going to copy this down, dragging the right corner, make it a percentage, and decrease the decimal places. Notice if you've done any of these wrong, you'll possibly have a number over 100. If I take the free throws attempted and divide it by free throws, that would show up as over 100%. Okay, I'm going to tidy this up a little bit, make sure we can see everyone's name. Looks good. Okay, let's show the formulas in order to correct. Go to View, All Formulas, simple formulas that show the percentage. The difference is that we're using the formatting of the cells. We're telling the spreadsheet that in those cells there are percentages. The other common one is to use $signs, which we will use later. Okay, that's 3-4. Go ahead and check the key.